Easy. Easy, girl. Grab it. Come on, that's it. Hold on. Hang on. I got you. Easy. Good. Almost there. Pull with me.
Why do I have shadows? I said
Alright,
light in
we're
you.
still moving. Blizzard's picking up fast.
And where
I
there's
got her
light,
bundled as best I can.
there is shadow too. You must learn to play with your shadows. And if you do, then the world will play with you. And the child said, Dad, I am so scared. And I said, son, you're not alone. And he said, I wanna go home. And I said,
You want help, don't you?